Hello everyone, I am Arya Pokhrel and this is my assignment from week 1 to week 7. In week 1, question number 1, it is given that the numbers should be sorted from highest to lowest and the output is given as follows. In week 1, question number 2, the Java program should shuffle the elements in array list and it is as given as follows. In week 2, the output should be 1 plus 2 bracket into 3 minus 4 into 5 minus 6 as shown in the output. In week 3, the merge sort for the case where input is linked in the list. The output is given as below. In week 4, we should check if it takes an int argument and deletes the kth element in the linked list if it exists. Week 5, the program makes new guesses, so it guesses the right number. When the output shows that the number guessed is too low, in week 6 we have to write a recursive function and see if it gives in true and false. The output is true. And in week 7 you have to write a Java program to solve a problem of Tower of Hanoi and the output is given as false. Thank you.